Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this video doorbell from the brand Blink, and as you can see, what's really nice is we got some nice coverage on here. We got night mode and day mode. We got also the compatibility to connect it to our Amazon or smart home device in general, which is always nice to see. So let's dive right into this. The packaging is quite straightforward. Okay, it looks like this moved a little bit to the side, which doesn't really matter though. And let's see what else is actually in here. This looks like a cover to secure the camera. Not too sure though. Might have to check that out later on as well. And then we'll get some drills and screws. And that's kind of what this is. What, at least for considering the stuff that's in here. Here is our frame to secure it to the wall, which is pretty straightforward. Let's remove this little port here so we get an idea. And yeah, as you can see, we got the lens in the top, we got a button to push to ring the bell, and then we can answer that from our smart home devices or our smartphone. And I think we should just install it, check it out what it looks like from the outside, and then we can call it a day. So that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. That's what it looks like from our porch. Looking good, looking nice, and that's gonna be it, you guys. So take care.